Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Hey everybody, wanted to show you some video going back in time. This was June 2nd, 1990. It was a Saturday afternoon. This is Newton, Illinois. An F4 tornado. You can see we call it a multiple vortex. It had multiple vortexes inside making up the larger tornado that you see there, and it did injure several people. Nobody was killed, which is good news. That tornado was rated as an F4. You can see the wind speeds there in the high 100-mile-per-hour range. I'm talking about this because it was Newton, Illinois that got hit by a tornado, and we're going to be in Newton coming up on Saturday. Of course, they got the Big Twisters movie coming up, and if you're going to be down that way, we're going to be having some giveaways. We're going to have the storm tracker there. I'm going to be there, and Mallory, maybe one or two more members from the weather team will be there. Some of the other members from the staff will be there. We've got some weather safety books we're going to be giving away to some of the kids, and we've even got some weather radios that we're going to be giving away. So again, Newton, Illinois, there's the time, 7 o'clock local time. We're going to be at the drive-in. I haven't seen the movie yet. I know a lot of people have. It's apparently very good from what we've heard, but if you're in that area, come on by. We'll be out there on Saturday evening in Newton, Illinois. I wanted to show you another thing which is interesting too. We look at the weather worldwide to help forecast what happens here. And we have a typhoon, which is the same thing as a hurricane in a different part of the world. Right now, it has gone past Taiwan and now headed into China. And notice its movement kind of in this direction. Believe it or not, tracking something like that far away can actually teleconnect into our kind of weather. There's an old rule of thumb. When a typhoon recurves like this, 7 to 10 days, there's usually what we call a trough on the eastern portion of the United States, which would mean cool weather for us. But remember the track of that typhoon I was showing you? It's going to go like this. And when that happens, you usually have a ridge on the eastern seaboard, and that means for us warmer weather. So in about 7 to 10 days, we expect it to get even warmer. As a matter of fact, the long-term forecast for the first week of August does show above normal temperatures. So we see some more heat coming as we round out this month and start the new month. It was pretty warm today. We hit 88 for the high today. 85 is the average, but look at 1934. We hit 104 for the record high. I wanted to show you another thing too. Over the next couple days, we're going to have a northerly flow in the area. And so we have some of this atmospheric smoke from the fires up north. And see if you get in here by Wednesday morning, kind of highlighting this area as well. So you may notice a little bit more of a haze to the sky in the next couple days because of the northerly wind in the area. There's a cold front coming through tonight. It's going to bring in a little bit more of that haze and that smoke. We didn't get any rain at the TV station today. Some of you did get some rain. We didn't get anything here. Temperatures in the 60s to near 70 across the area now. Here's our Joint Water Tower forecast. Chrisman, Illinois. Partly cloudy, 66. Just a slight chance of a leftover shower here for a little while tonight. Water vapor satellite. Here's the drier air here trying to move in. Of course, it was colliding with some of that moisture in the air today, generating some of the showers and storms, but that's all kind of pushing south now. You'll see some of these early on, but then basically kind of dying off. There's a little bit off to the west. Locally on the Dorsey Automotive Doppler radar, nothing showing up west of here. A couple showers, but again, that's all west of the area. So overnight, can't rule out a couple showers here or there for the rest of the overnight, but by tomorrow morning, we ought to be looking pretty good. As we get into the day tomorrow and right into the day Friday, things are looking good. Temperatures will not be too bad. The humidity levels come down just a little bit, and looks like mostly some dry weather. After that, the next rain chance developing once we hit about Saturday night late into Sunday, mostly into Sunday, and then kind of an unsettled pattern as we get into next week. We'll have to keep an eye, maybe even some stronger storms as we get into next week and things get a bit more active. So your forecast goes like this for tonight. Then we'll be looking for maybe a spotty shower here or there early on, 66 for the overnight low. During the day tomorrow, some pretty good weather. Temperatures about average for this time of the year, about 85 degrees, partly cloudy with that northeast wind. And then after that, looks like we'll stay dry, warm, but not excessive as we round out the week and start the weekend. Next rain chance developing Sunday into early next week, and there comes that heat. 1 week from today, we're talking about highs at 93 degrees. Grant.
Hey, thanks, Jesse.